Hello all. I am Professor M.B. Nigde, working as a workshop superintendent in AI Systems IoT Pune. The today's topic is how to form a CNC programming. So today we are taken the first numerical control procedure. Another is now the part programming, then procedure for developing a manual part programming, and method of writing a part programming. What is a numerical control procedure? The numerical control includes all necessary steps of operation for manufacturing of workpiece to the required shape. Means all these controls like x-axis motion, y-axis and z-axis motion is now done by using some control process. And this information is now directly taken from the drawing. In Delcam or Mastercam software, we are directly taken all the coordinates from that drawing, and these dimensions in terms of millimeter, in terms of inch also, and the shape and tool path. Next is now the data established depending upon the surface quality such as speed, feed, and depth of cut of the tool. Is the data established means all this manufacturing process on the depend upon how much cutting speed, how much cutting feed, and the depth of cut is. Cutting speed is now determined by using one formula like a V is equal to pi d n by 1000. Then feed is tool is travel over the workpiece, and it will always be measured in terms of millimeter per minute or millimeter per revolution. And next is on the depth of cut of the tool, means is depend upon the material of the tool and depend upon the material of the workpiece also. And next is on the cutting tool. Then cutting tool is having a three orientation is there, that is left hand tool, right hand tool, and neutral tool. It is having a different material, that is HSS material or tungsten carbide material. And the coolant is now the used. Coolant is generally used to reduce the heat in between the cutting tool and workpiece. And then data decided the operations. And next is on the part programming. In the part programming is nothing but the sequence of instruction which describe the work which has to be done on the part in the form required the computer under the control of NC. Next is two type of part programming we've done. One is now the manual part programming. In manual part programming, the data required for machining is written in the standard format. It's called as program manuscript. And next is a computer aided part programming. If the component required a great deals such as a milling operation, or sometimes there is a countering operation is there, we can need to find out the cutter path required more calculation for drilling. Sometimes the tapping, sometimes the boring also, means path compensation is one of the important parameter we can must find out first. And there is a various type of languages we are using, like automatic APD is there, and next is split, adapt, and then 2CL auto stop is there. It's different type of program language we are using in the computer aided part programming. In the procedure for developing a manual part programming, first type of dimension system, that is absolute type of system or incremental type of system. Next is now the axis dimension, X, Y, and Z. Sometimes that is U, V, and W, also the A, B, and C. Next is now the ENC word. The different type of ENC word we are using, we are starting from the program number like O. Next is now the N is nothing but the sequence number. We are taken one example like X, Y, and Z is nothing but the axis. F is nothing but the feed. T is nothing but the tool. Means the different type of ENC word we are using. Another is now the standard G code and M code. There is another session now on the G code and M code. We'll see later on. But the G code is a preparatory function. M is now the miscellaneous function. And next is now the tape programming. Another is a machine tool 0 setting is there. This is one of the important developments in the manual part programming. This is a procedure, standard procedure. Okay, next is on the procedure for developing a manual part programming. We already discussed the absolute coordinate system. If you see in the diagram, from left hand side there is a 0. We have taken the reference always from the 0, that is 25, next is 60, 90, 95, 120 from x-axis. On a y-axis also we can take the reference from the 0. Then it is called as the absolute coordinate system. In incremental always be previous reference we are taken, like a 25, like a 20, like a 40, like a 20 means previous point reference were taken, then it is called the incremental. Is the system in which all the measurement for the next position are calculated in the form of increment of a distance from the point at which the slide was resting previously. Then another axis designations, that is x, y, z, is generally used for the primary motion. U, V, W for secondary motion is parallel to the x, y, z. ABC generally used for the angular dimension. IJK is nothing but the center offset dimension in x, y, z axis in circular interpolation. There is a two type of interpolation is there. One is now the straight interpolation is called as a linear interpolation. Another is a circular interpolation is there, and generally IJK is used for a circular interpolation. Then the program for developing manual part programming, the bit we are using like a binary digits like a 0 to 1, and those codes or character is a series of the 1 to 0, and the number of alphabets or some symbol is there on the one punch card in a single row on a tape if you are using a tape. But in a NC word, if you have taken the dimension like x01 000 or y10025 and some field we are mentioned like f100. Okay, means this type of folding NC word is in one line, and this is a block is now the we are considered this single block is nothing but the collection of the all this NC word represented like this. If you have taken one example, n is represented as sequence block number, then G is nothing but the preparatory function, X, Y, Z is axis, AB is nothing but the parallel axis or secondary axis, F is nothing but the feed, S is nothing but the spindle speed, and T is nothing but the tool number, and end of block is always be mentioned. Block number is denoted by n words and is sequentially by the 1 to 10. Preparatory function is used the communication with the MCU. Therefore, G code indicates the control to represented by the character of G and followed by the 2 digit like a 00 to the 99 is there. Then XYZ, that is a XYZ is generally used for the linear, or this is called the main axial motion. UVW is secondary motion parallel to the XYZ. PQR is nothing but the third type of motion parallel to the XYZ. ABC is generally used for angular motion around the XYZ respectively. And this is a procedure, means this type of word we are using in alphabet like a x-axis. The decimal like x 7.85 will be represented as 707875 in a 5-digit form. Always all the dimension always in terms of millimeter, and generally follow the system like a absolute system. Okay. Feed rate, that is F word is now the used, and the G91 and G94 both are now the command is now the used for the feed rate millimeter per minutes or millimeter per revolution. And spindle speed always be in terms of S letter, and 8000 is RPM, that is revolution per minutes. Tool is denoted by T words. T010 means first 01 is a tool number, next 01 is nothing but your offset number. Then miscellaneous word. The miscellaneous word is characters of M is followed by 2-digit number. Generally, miscellaneous means one example we are taken as a spindle start or spindle on or a spindle off, coolant on or coolant off. And next is end of block, is generally denoted by star or hash. Then G70 and G71 is now the generally used for the metric, 17 used for the inches, and G04 is generally used for the dual command. All are now the modal and non-modal command is there. Okay. Thank you very much for listening my video. Thank you.